Sometimes you receive a Google Doc in a view mode like this. You just receive the link and it allows only to view the document. And if you see, we have a notification tell you the security limitation. This means that you cannot make a copy or download the file. And if you try to print or make a copy of the content, also this is not allowed. So let's try to select the content of the file. I will Control A to select everything and right click copy. As you see below, we have a notification also saying that you cannot copy the content of this file to outside. So even if you try to print by pressing Control P on the keyboard, you see that even the print option is not allowed. So I will show you in 3 simple steps how to make a copy of this file, which allows you to edit and do whatever changes you want. Step number 1, go to the link of the file shared with you and change the last part, which is written edit tab equals to t.0, and instead write mobile basic. This will show you the document in mobile view, which allow you to save the file. So let's try to print first. As you see, the print also is not allowed here. You just see the blank document. So the second step is right click and save as. Click save as and save the file as HTML on your computer, anywhere on your computer. I will choose the document. As you see, the file has been saved on my document folder. Step number 3, open Word application and then click open, and then open that file you already saved on your computer. I saved it on my document folder. So click on it and then click open. As you see, the file will be loaded to Microsoft Word. And from here, you can save as this file as a Word document. You can change the type to Word document and remove that extension if you like, and then click Save. This way you have a copy of the protected file and you can do whatever changes you want. I hope this video was useful for everyone. Thank you for watching.